Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about matplotlib line. So let's see what is it. So you can use the keyword argument line style or shorter, that is ls, and to change the style of the plotted line. You can also change the style of the plotted line that is available. On screen you can see that this is the first style that is mentioned, and we can also change it to the many kind of styles that are available, like dashed line, dotted line. All these kinds of lines are available, so we can change it. So these are the few kinds of styles that are available. You can create with the help of the names that is available here. Okay, you can change the line color of it. You can use the different kinds of color. That, for example, in last lecture we studied about, if you are mentioning R, that means it is giving you red color. If you are mentioning hot pink, so it will automatically give you the hot pink that is available. So let me just mention you some kinds of points here. For example, shorter line, for that I will mention few things. On screen you can see that it is automatically coming in the dotted line or dashed line. Okay, let me write you few more terms, and then now on screen you can see that it is coming in the red color. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much.